Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Netspend Skylight's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Netspend Skylight's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in netspendskylight.com and make a search. It will take you to the login page of Netspend Skylight account. Now, to log in, enter your username and password associated with your Netspend Skylight's account. After entering your username and password, click on Login. Tick mark on the box that says Remember Username if you want your username to be remembered next time you log in. In case if you don't remember your username or password, click on the link that says Forgot Username or Forgot Password. This is how you can log into your Netspend Skylight's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.